This will be a really simple smoothie. This is a strawberry carrot smoothie with a banana in it. So let's make this smoothie. So into my blender jar, I'm going to be putting 1 cup of frozen strawberries. This came in at 125 grams. And then I have 1 banana, very ripe. I have to say, of all the ingredients that I put into my smoothies, banana ends up being my favorite as far as flavors. I just like the flavor of bananas. I know some people don't like bananas. I actually don't like the smell in my trash of the peels, but I like the flavor of bananas. All right, put that in there, clean up my mess here. So that was 1 medium banana, 1 medium to large carrot, 6 ice cubes. These ice cubes are about 1 fluid ounce each. And if you don't have a blender that can handle ice cubes, use like 3/4 of a cup of water. Okay, I'm going to put some seed in there. I'm going to use flax seed this time. Put 1 tablespoon of flax seed in there. And then finally, from my neighbor's garden, I just picked some fresh mint. I'm going to throw some sprigs of fresh mint in there. Some of the better looking leaves, not that it matters, they're all going to get ground up anyways. Oh, smells so good. I think these are like spearmint. Okay, mint in there. And that's it. I'm ready to blend. Now I have to say, I'm a bit concerned about how this is going to come out because there's no liquid in there. So I'm assuming I'm going to have to blend this up for a minute or longer to break those ice cubes down, get the frozen fruits, the bananas all broken up, to hopefully have some sort of liquid for my smoothie. So I'm going to start on number 1. Let this go for a few seconds, a little while on low to break this stuff up, and then I'll increase the speed slowly. So this is what you run into when you try to trust recipes in a book. This isn't turning out right. I can just tell. It looks like mush in there. There's no liquid. Someone didn't test this recipe. And that's the reason why I do these videos, is you get to see me doing them. You're going to know whether it works or not. That needs liquid. No matter how much I grind that down, it needs liquid. So I'm adding 1 cup of orange juice. It's about 240 milliliters. I love orange juice in smoothies. Put my lid back on and then start again. Now that looks like a smoothie to me. All right, let's pour this into a glass and see what I've got here. That looks nice. That looks really nice. I got plenty for a second serving. So I took my jar out of the refrigerator. Yeah, another 12-ounce serving out of that. That's just coming up to 12. Get the last of that in there. All right. Let's see what I've got here. I'm trying to figure out what that color is. It's kind of like a peachy color. Kind of a yellowy, orangey rose color. As I'm making more and more smoothies, I'm thinking more about color as well as flavor. That's nice. That's an interesting flavor because nothing comes out. You can taste the mint. can sort of taste the carrot. I do taste the banana and the strawberry. And that's good. Oh, that's good. Nice and cold, refreshing. That's a good smoothie. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my strawberry, carrot, orange juice smoothie.